Welcome to our first look review of the all-new Toyota Urban Cruiser, a battery electric compact SUV that's poised to bring fresh competition to one of the fastest growing segments in the market. Toyota's Urban Cruiser is not just a new model. It's a strategic move for the brand's electrification goals, slotting neatly into the lineup while delivering practical design, versatile powertrains, and cutting-edge technology. Today, we'll take a deep dive into its design, performance specs, interior features, and more. Let's jump in. At first glance, the Toyota Urban Cruiser makes a bold statement. Measuring 4,285 millimeters in length, 1,800 millimeters in width, and 1,640 millimeters in height, it stands slightly larger than the popular Yaris Cross. Toyota's designers call the approach urban tech, which reflects both rugged SUV styling and sophisticated lines. The SUV's front end carries Toyota's modern hammerhead design, highlighted by a muscular bumper and sharp LED light signature. At the rear, you'll find a wraparound light bar that spans the tailgate, lending a wider and more premium stance. Toyota offers a range of bi-tone exterior paint options with contrasting black roofs, and you can choose between 18-inch or 19-inch alloy wheels depending on the grade. Its turning radius of just 5.2 meters ensures it's easy to maneuver in tight city spaces, a key feature for any compact SUV. The Urban Cruiser comes with two battery options and a choice between front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, catering to different driving preferences. The entry-level 49 kilowatt-hour battery delivers 106 kilowatts, equivalent to 142 brake horsepower in a front-wheel drive configuration. Stepping up to the 61 kilowatt-hour battery, you get 128 kilowatts. That's 172 brake horsepower in front-wheel drive models. For those who need all-wheel drive, Toyota adds a 48 kilowatt rear motor to the larger 61 kilowatt-hour battery, resulting in a combined output of 135 kilowatts, or 181 brake horsepower. Torque also varies across the lineup, with front-wheel drive versions producing 189 newton-meters and all-wheel drive models pushing a punchier 300 newton-meters of torque. In typical electric fashion, acceleration is smooth and linear, both off the line and during overtakes. Built on Toyota's dedicated battery electric platform, the Urban Cruiser is both strong and lightweight. The structure eliminates floor cross members, freeing up space for the battery and increasing cabin comfort. The all-wheel drive system, available in select markets, adds versatility for more challenging conditions. Toyota includes trail mode, which detects wheel spin and redirects torque for better grip, and downhill assist control for added stability on descents. Meanwhile, front-wheel drive models get a snow mode that reduces wheel slip on slippery roads. Whether you're navigating rough trails or urban streets, the Urban Cruiser aims to deliver confidence and control. Step inside, and the Urban Cruiser's cabin feels spacious and flexible. Thanks to its extended wheelbase, 2,700 millimeters, up 140 millimeters over the Yaris Cross, Toyota has maximized interior room. The rear seats feature a sliding system which adjusts the distance between front and rear passengers. This setup creates room typically seen in larger D-segment SUVs. The 40-20-40 split folding rear seats can also recline, offering a versatile combination of passenger comfort and cargo space. Up front, the clean and open design features a horizontal dashboard layout. High-set seats offer excellent visibility for both the driver and passengers. Ambient lighting, available in 12 customizable colors, lets you set the perfect cabin mood. Toyota sticks with dark gray and black upholstery, delivering a robust look that aligns with its SUV character. The Urban Cruiser doesn't hold back on tech. The driver gets a fully digital experience with a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.1-inch multimedia display, seamlessly integrated for ease of use. The multimedia system provides fast, cloud-based navigation with real-time traffic data. Smartphone integration is standard, ensuring your apps are always within reach. Toyota also enhances daily electric vehicle ownership with its My Toyota app, which lets users check battery charge, locate charging stations, and schedule charging sessions remotely. Additionally, the Toyota Home Charge wall box simplifies recharging at home, tailored specifically for Toyota EVs. Safety is always a priority for Toyota, and the Urban Cruiser comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems. Standard features include pre-collision system to detect and mitigate risks, adaptive cruise control for effortless long drives, lane departure alert and lane keep assist for added confidence on highways. A 360-degree camera system further aids maneuvering, whether you're tackling tight parking spots or uneven ground. Higher trims also offer features like a premium JBL audio system, a fixed sunroof, and power-adjustable driver's seats. The Urban Cruiser uses lithium-iron phosphate batteries, chosen for their safety, durability, and lower production cost. To improve efficiency, Toyota includes a heat pump for the air conditioning system, reducing energy drain, and a manual battery preheating system for optimal performance in colder conditions. Public debut is scheduled for the 2025 Brussels Motor Show. Final specifications, pricing, and trim levels will be announced closer to the launch date. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next first look. Thanks for watching. See you next time.